Hello, this is your one and only Coyote weather meteorologist, Brett Wiley here on this Monday morning here in June. And we'll be talking about some severe weather possibilities for western Pennsylvania and central Pennsylvania, and perhaps some heavier rains falling into eastern Pennsylvania tomorrow into tomorrow night. Right now, here we got a surface map of the United States. Right now, not a whole lot going on. A large complex of thunderstorms, somewhat large complex of thunderstorms rolling through Missouri this morning. And again, showers and thunderstorms in the southeast, Alabama, Georgia. But of course, nothing like they experienced just a couple days ago, with up to 2 feet or close to 2 feet of rain falling in West Pensacola and in those areas. It was stunning. It was astonishing because that area, some areas locally got up to 2 feet, pretty close to that. And some areas received just an inch of rain. So that was a very extreme event. There was a flash flood emergency, not just a flash flood warning. And some of the video and pictures out of that area were frankly just incredible. So I definitely suggest that you check that out. Moving on to temperatures this morning. Right now, to our southwest, we got temperatures in the 80s, low 80s, maybe some mid 80s in there. Right now here it's 77. And of course, further to the northeast, a backdoor cold front has actually made its way through. As you can see here, actually, on the surface map here, this little frontal boundary right here, it's a little backdoor cold front, which is held down the temperatures up here to the northeast of us, to the northeast of our area. Temperatures in the low 70s and upper 60s. Moving on to the severe weather for tomorrow. Of course, you got the rain approaching from the west, and that'll come through, you know, evening hours into our area. Now this version of the NAM, which is the 12Z, which has just come out this morning, shows the axis of the heavy rain going to our north, but it seems like the models have gone back and forth on this, so I'm really going to wait and see what the rapid refresh has to say about this before drawing any conclusions about where the heaviest rain will fall. But right now it appears to be the northern half of Pennsylvania that'll see the heaviest rain. And interestingly enough, once this batch of heavy rain moves through, it's kind of going to stall out and form a very weak system here, which could spark off some showers you see in New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania. At least this is what the 12Z shows here. Some showers in southeast Pennsylvania and New Jersey come late Thursday night and into early Thursday morning as you move through there. And the severe weather, these are the Cape values, showing the possibility for severe weather, the energy available in the atmosphere for thunderstorms. And as you progress into, let's say, Tuesday evening, folks in western Pennsylvania might want to watch out, because you see the Cape values coming up here into the 1500 to 2000 range. So you might get a batch of thunderstorms together with that kind of energy. I don't think it'll be anything super severe. They should be strong at best, frankly. So now we come to the part of the video where we look at the long range, which in the summer means looking at the tropical picture. So we are looking at one tropical system right now, or at least I am, and it's going to be forming down south of the Gulf of Mexico and east of the Yucatan Peninsula, at least for now it is. But this seems to be a pretty general area where tropical systems like to boil up, and this is an area that we've been watching for at least a week now. So the low pressure area here, it shows it right in this area here, forms and will jog to the north. As you see here, it moves very little through time as it gathers thunderstorms and tries to get better organized, and it will. You see it move as we move through the longer range. It actually crosses over the Yucatan Peninsula. Actually, that's not exactly a very common track, so I'm going to say that's not right. I'm going to say it's going to come pretty much to the north here. Yeah, just come through, just go between Yucatan Peninsula and Cuba. I say that just because generally, if a storm forms down here, it's not going to jog across the Yucatan Peninsula, it's going to come to the north. And you never know about where it's going to hit here on the Gulf Coast line. But it'll come up, in this run anyway, it'll come up and hit Texas. Like that. With some heavy rain. And I can't really tell. I mean, the strength is pretty strong with the heavy rain, but it's hard to tell what strength it's going to be at this range. It's 300 hours out, and so that's what we got for our tropical watch. I'm your one and only Coyote Weather meteorologist, Brett Wiley, signing off.